Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin' Up, and today we'll be making the A Look Back kit. This kit was designed to create a year in review notebook. Whether you're an avid memory-keeping crafter or new to it, we think you'll love it. This kit comes with everything you need to create different layouts to remember those special moments, including a spiral notebook, printed sentiments in English, German, and French, stickers, and pre-cut elements for embellishing. As we walk you through the steps to complete this kit, feel free to pause or rewind the video. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace, and don't forget to make this project your own. Let's get started. I love all of the creative options in this kit to help capture the highlights of the year. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products and then Kids Collection to choose your next creative experience. Until next time, enjoy.